YouTube? Let me show you something awesome. Look at that. Look at that. I just passed by this little area in my kitchen and there's a light that turned on. And guess what? I have another one. I have another one. Boom. Look at that. How awesome is that? And now if you look underneath here, there is a ceiling light. This ceiling light is made by TopGreener. Link is in the description. This thing was so easy to install. There's like 3M, like a little stickiness on the top of it, and it's stuck right underneath this particular cabinet, and it uses batteries. And every time, especially it's awesome during nighttime. That was my son Cash. He always loves to be in these videos. So when it's nighttime, I can quickly come down here and get what I need, and it just gives me the perfect amount of light that I need to do whatever I need to do. So it does use 3 batteries. Also, this thing is good for like closets, cabinets. I actually want to have a few, I want to get a few more and get them in like all these cabinets right now. Right now I started with like this 2-pack and just to try it out, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna put them like everywhere, especially the closets. I really feel like for closets, it's gonna really allow me to see what I need to see on the top shelf on my walk-in closet and do the darn thing. And see, look how bright it is. It's insanely bright. If you want to get yours now, again, the link is in the description. Go check it out. It's on Amazon. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more product reviews. I'm Juan Irizarry, and I'll see you next time.